We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our quick and easy pasta salad, packed with crisp vegetables, fresh mozzarella, and tossed with a simple, homemade dressing. Let's make the dressing first. I'm doing it in a large bowl so that I can add all the salad ingredients directly to it. To make the dressing, combine red wine vinegar, juice from a peperoncini jar, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. The peperoncini juice is optional, but we love the extra flavor. Slowly stream in the olive oil while you whisk until the dressing is thickened. Don't forget, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is found on Inspired Taste. Toss in cooked pasta. If it's still warm, that's okay. In fact, I find that warm pasta absorbs the flavors of the dressing a bit better. For the veggies, we use zucchini, bell pepper, scallions, and tomatoes. You are welcome to add or substitute based on what you have. For the zucchini, I simply slice it into thin discs. I like to slice the bell peppers into small, thin sticks. I use both the white and green parts of the scallions and thinly slice them. And here I'm using cherry tomatoes, so I quarter the big ones and halve the smaller ones. For some heat and a vinegary pop of flavor, we add peperoncinis. These are optional, but I love them in this pasta salad. Just remove the stem and slice into thin rings. Add all the veggies to the bowl with the pasta. Now for some more ingredients. I'm adding pitted and sliced olives. Next, throw in lots of chopped fresh herbs. This is parsley and basil, but use what you have on hand. And finally, some cheese. This is grated Parmesan and fresh mozzarella that's been cut into bite-sized pieces. Toss the pasta salad really well, and that's it. Quick and easy pasta salad that's packed with flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.